how to unlock your profile. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to unlock your profile. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook and I will explain what is mean lock your profile. Lock your profile mean no one can see your profile on Facebook, your posts, stories, videos, statues, anything. No one can see it, just your friends, your close friends, and you. Now to unlock your profile, click on those three lines, click on the setting icon, scroll down, and you will find profile locking. Click on it and click on unlock, and here click on unlock your profile. Wait for a second, and this is it. You unlocked your profile. More people may see the photos, posts, and stories on your profile. Click on OK, and this is it. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.